The smartphone world is once again on the edge of transformation, as fresh leaks surrounding the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra have begun surfacing online, hinting at innovations that could redefine the flagship experience as we know it. Every year, Samsung pushes the limits with its Galaxy S series, but what we're hearing about the S26 Ultra is unlike anything before. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. These aren't just small tweaks or minor upgrades. We're talking about game-changing shifts across hardware, display, camera, AI performance, and even design philosophy. The leaks suggest that Samsung is taking an aggressive leap forward, possibly to cement its dominance ahead of Apple's next iPhone release and Google's AI-heavy Pixel series. And if the rumors prove accurate, the Galaxy S26 Ultra may very well be the most advanced Android phone ever made. So let's dive deep into the 4 major leaks that are sending shockwaves through the tech community, because these details aren't just updates, they're redefining what a smartphone can be in 2025 and beyond. The first and perhaps most jaw-dropping leak involves the S26 Ultra's camera system. Samsung is reportedly preparing to launch a revolutionary quad-lens setup centered around a next-generation 200MP primary sensor, upgraded from the S24 Ultra's version. But it's not just about megapixels anymore. It's about computational photography, AI-driven imaging, and versatility. According to insiders, the new sensor will feature a variable aperture lens that adjusts dynamically between f/1.4 and f/4.0, giving users unmatched control over depth of field and low-light performance. Combine that with an enhanced 50MP periscope zoom capable of true 10x optical and 100x AI-enhanced hyperzoom, and you've got a camera that rivals DSLRs in many real-world conditions. Leaks also point to real-time object tracking and smart autofocus powered by Galaxy AI 2.0, which is rumored to include semantic segmentation and scene understanding, meaning the phone knows whether you're taking a photo of food, landscape, or a moving subject, and adjusts settings accordingly. Samsung could also be introducing a LiDAR-style depth sensor for improved 3D mapping and AR capabilities. These advancements mean that whether you're a casual selfie taker or a pro content creator, the Galaxy S26 Ultra might be your new go-to camera. The second leak involves what Samsung is calling a quantum OLED display. The panel is said to be a 6.9-inch LTPO OLED display with an adaptive refresh rate ranging from 1 Hz to 240 Hz, depending on usage. But here's the twist. It's reportedly built on QD-OLED tech, a hybrid of quantum dot and OLED technologies, offering higher brightness, better color accuracy, and significantly improved lifespan. Unlike traditional OLEDs that can suffer from burn-in over time, this panel has been engineered to withstand long hours of use while maintaining peak quality. There are also whispers that Samsung is introducing an anti-reflection nanocoating that enhances outdoor visibility dramatically, even in direct sunlight. What really makes this leak significant is that the display is said to support true 4K resolution with HDR10+ certification and over 3000 nits of peak brightness. That's laptop territory on a phone. This makes the S26 Ultra not just a content consumption powerhouse, but a device that might change mobile gaming, video editing, and streaming forever. With ultra-responsive touch sampling rates and stylus support, the Galaxy S26 Ultra could become a productivity hub for creatives, students, and professionals alike. Third, let's talk about raw performance, and it starts with the leak about